Make a beer here at Coast Mountain where you do it with the 4 main ingredients. We start with barley, water, hops, and yeast, and any other extras would be, flavor. Sometimes, it could be grapefruit, fruits of that nature, if you will, or chocolate or coffee, depending on the beer, the style, and the season. The concept behind Coast Mountain's beer is simple. We want beer we want a beer on tap that everybody can enjoy. We brew 8 different beers at any one time, a range of beers. Sometimes they're sours, they can be dark, they can be extremely hoppy, but there's a little something for everybody here at Coast, and we want to differentiate ourselves from others in the marketplace, where we like to go out on a limb a little, if you will, and brew some beers that maybe have a bit of a crazy flavor to them, but that's kind of who we are. Well, here we are at the fun part with the beer brewed behind us. We've now packaged it into cans, and to best enjoy a can of beer, you got to open it up and pour it into a glass. And here we have our Daydreamer Hazy IPA. This beer has a ton of aromatics, hop oils, that all are released as we pour that into the glass. And fill that one right up there. Serving temperature about 5-6 degrees Celsius. Nice head on the beer, retains the oil content, a lot of the aromatics as you drink down through the glass. Be sure to nice little sniff and get right in. So proper glassware is important when enjoying beer. Just as wine, we have different shapes to our glassware. An old English stout served in a nice pint glass, whereas IPAs and those more hop-forward beers you'll find in tulips, where the aromatics can be released a little easier for the drinker to enjoy. I have one of our sours here in a nice tall stemware. Simply for me, that's a glass that I like to enjoy the sours from, a smaller profile, but still some of the aromatics can come off the top of the glass. So make sure you pour your beer into the proper glass. When you come down to a brewery, flights are a fun way to enjoy multiple different beers. It's an experience, and a flight is a fun way to try all the different colors and flavors that you have in a beer. So growler fills are a fun way to take beer home and enjoy. Fresh beer poured that day. We have 8 different types of beers to bring home. When you're finished, proper etiquette of cleaning. Make sure you take that cap off, rinse with cold water as soon as you're done the beer, not the next day, and air dry. No soap needed, and bring it back to the brewery the very next day and fill it up.